Hey guys, welcome to RentSyst channel. Let's talk about damages today. So every vehicle has own body type, as own profile, and you can customize any body type according to your vehicle type. Let me show you. So basically, in this vehicle, you can see it's a sport car. So by clicking on the damages, you can see it's 0 damages right now. When you will open it, you will see the map, which is interactive with all elements that can be damaged or not, right? So when you clicking on any place there, you can see that it's highlighted, right? You can work with exterior and you can also work with interior as well. So you can see when you navigate on the map, when you're clicking on it, you will see that there will be a window where you will find the option to get the new damage. Add the title, the name of the damage, mark description, choose damage level. The higher level, the more highlighted it will be, like from the yellow to the bright red. You can find the customer who do this damage with your car and upload the damage photo as well. So click on it. You'll find the window with your gallery. So I also reminded this operation can be done also from the smartphone, from the tablet, so you can easily add the damages here. So right now I'm showing you the manual type, how to add the damages to the vehicle from the profile of the car. The next, how to choose and how to change this body type, right? For instance, from this for SUV or for the sedan and so on. So it's very easy. You need to go inside specification, click edit, and from the beginning, when you're starting to add the new vehicle, you see the type of the car. Type of the vehicle, it's a car, right? But depending from this choosing option, it's adapting automatically your body type as well. So type is a car and the body type is supercar. We have a lot of features. You can see hatchback, SUV, micro, roadster. So depending from this option which you will choose, for instance, let me show how it will be on the truck. It will be immediately update the picture of your damage as well. So you can see truck right now, right? So this is how it works, and you can also see the full history of your damages as well. There is no damages in this vehicle, so let me show you another sample. This one. Besides, you can see also on your fleet page amount of the damages. You can see it's a checks, the damages there. So you can also see the damages on the vehicle. You can see there is 2 damages and so on. So let's go inside this vehicle to show you the sample about damage history. So this is how it looks with the highlighting of the damages. You can see, like I said, the more damage the highlighted on the map. And above you can see the history of the damages. So you will see that the history, exactly the name of your damage, description which you add, the picture, status, when it was created, repair or not repair, and so on. So how to add the new damage during the reservation process, during the checking process. Let's say you notice that after the rental there was damage marked, right? So you need to check this operation and get inside the order profile, right? So let's say this sample. So click on check bottom. On your reservation checklist inside your main settings menu, there will be the option called reservation checklist, where you can activate the feature which you want to check it. We also have video guide about this related topic, so check video guide below on description. And you can see the system is notify us, remind us to check the damages as well. So I open the menu with the damages. I click on the door, for instance, mark any name, description very high, Bruce Banner. Okay, upload the picture. Let's say this one. Okay, not this one. Let's say this one. Okay, add the damage. So right now it's highlighted, right? And when you will close the order, the system will generate for you the, okay, let's, yeah, deposit refund. The system will generate for you damage report. Done. Okay, it's done. So when the order is closed, the system will generate for you automatical damage report like this one. Okay. Okay, so this is how it works. We wish you to not have any damages with your fleet at all. And thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it, and see you in the next video, guys. Bye.